Hello everyone, in this video we will see Olymp trade promo code. Top 3 discount. Here I will show you 3 websites that offer promo code. First guys, open the Worth Money website and browse the computer. Click on the coupon or promo code option and show the left side of the screen. Here you will be able to see different offers, and first coupon code you can see that you will get 50% guys discount, and you can use this coupon code of 500 plus deposit with Olymp trade promo code, and you will get 1100 off. Just have to copy that code and paste with your order, and you can see 50 offers and as well as 100 offers. Here in promo code you can see different promo code. If you want to see code, you will get 50% discount, and you never even verified discount with deposit or 3. You can get also promo code. Here your Olymp trade that also give over 10% and offer. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you another video soon.